Hello, my name is Tajuddin. This is my submission for my Unit 7, and this video I'll just go over every single thing that I've done in my labs, and I'll explain how I've secured the system and also go over the different recommendations I made for VDS. So yeah, let's go. As you can see on this screenshot, this is my first time logging into this server. Pretty much that's really it. I made this instance from AWS, so yeah. And you can see right here, I typed sudo su, which allowed me to switch to the root user, which allowed me to perform admin tasks. And you can see right here, I created a group called students as the root user as well. Then to verify that the group has been made, I typed in tel/etc/group, which allowed me to see all the different groups and to see if it's actually added, okay? And then right here is when I'm adding my first student called Mark Campbell actually, which in here we had to write his full name and had to go just skip through room number, work phone, home phone, other, and then confirm that I wanted to add Mark as a user. And here is where I added Mark Campbell to the student group. Yeah, pretty much. And you can see right here, I added my second user, Zoe Zenu, I think. Zenu, I don't know how to say her name, but Zenu. And yeah, did the same steps for that. Typed Y, typed Y, which is yes, and then added Zoe to the student group as well. And you can see right here, I explored how like Linux stores like password hashes, because this was my first time learning how to do this, so it was kind of confusing at first, but I began to understand the difference. I began to understand, the whole layout of the hashing, the salt, all of that. And you can see right here, I even use Python to like confirm. Okay, now moving on to the actual VDS server, I basically copied those steps that I did for Mark and Zoe, but actually did it for my own name, which is TJ or Taju. You can see my full name right there. So yeah, I added myself as a student, and you can see right here is where I provided the, I think, salt value, and then this one, no, this is where I provided the hash value, and then this is the salt value, which was generated with my hash password, which you can see from this screenshot. And I also use Python to like actually prove that, you know my salted hash was actually like correctly generated. And yeah, and then after that I was told to make a web after that I was told to make a webmaster create after that I was told to add a user called webmaster. You can see right here, I typed in sudo add webmaster, and then gone over the same steps. Webmaster confirmed with yes, and then I added webmaster to the sudo group, so then that they can also have the admin rights, so they can have the privileges and stuff like that.